Hey guys, I'm back with my other video, and today, well, I made a video this morning, and right now it's the afternoon, and guess what? I just came out of after school program, and so yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, because we are going to play Roblox. Okay, I'll be on Roblox, and let's get started. No. Game. Let's do obbies. BB. This is the fidget spinner. I think this is my third or fourth video. Oh, I hate this thing. See, I can't even see. Okay, I'm gonna play a different game. No, live game. Leave. Obby. And try and get this video to, let's see, at least 15 or more likes, please. I gotta go back in my other video. What? No. Next game. What other game do you want? So, what other game? You guys, comment down below what other game I should play. Because I think I'm gonna be playing Five Nights at Freddy's after this. And yeah. Oh, escape the claw machine. Oh, it says girls only. So I'm a girl. Luna's a girl. Peps is a girl. Come here. Oh, you're so cute. This is taking forever. Fine, let's just not play Roblox. Sorry, guys. Oh, what game should I play? Blockhexa. Not Blockhexa. Blockhex. Blockhexa. Puzzle. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, let's see what this is. Oh. And if you hear screaming in the background, that is Dojistrada. Go subscribe to Dojistrada. Yeah. You see him? You hear him? Come on, go to bed. Come on. Okay. Okay, you want me? You hit it. And you listen to Big Ouch. Dang. Come on, Gorda. Come on. Okay, sorry, guys. Thank you for kissing. Ow! No! Those like bites, but not hard, but like. You mean Gamer Estrada? Gamer Girl Estrada. What the heck? Like up this, oh gosh, sorry. Like up this video if you love birds. Chance. Sorry, guys. Gorda loves phones. She's so cute all the time. Ow. She bit me. Don't poop on my thing, okay? I feel like she's already gonna try and poop on it. Next video is gonna be about my birds. No. I'm gonna use one of my fingers. Ouch! What do bird on people? So Alright, goodbye. Goodbye. Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! This is so complicated. Oh, thank you. Oh, the reason why my videos are so short, guys, is because once I made a mini mixy video and I had to upload it and I had to delete it because it was so long I couldn't even watch YouTube. So I was like, no, I got to do this for my fans. So I did. And I deleted the video. And if you hear voices again, that is Doja Estrada. Sorry guys if I'm acting cool. If my voice is like acting cool. Oh! What was that? Gorda. I'm gonna show you Gorda in my next video. Yeah, that one stays here. Then this one stays. I'm just wasting all these. This is fun.
I'm not doing that.
Okay, guys. I think one more round and I'm gonna wrap up the video. I don't want my video to be uploaded in a couple days because then I won't be able to make videos for you guys. So I want to be able to make videos for you guys, and I'm gonna try and do pranks if I can. So yeah. Okay, just this one and that's it. And if it's complicated, then I gotta go. Who's laughing like that?
Oh my god! Oh, so close to dying! Oh my god!
Okay, guys, I'm struggling, so I think if I can't. Hey guys, I'm sorry. I have to end the video, and thank you for being here with me, and thank you everybody who's watching this. And don't just try to say hi.
Hello, people. I just can't handle the scariness I have right now.
Yep. So, bye guys. Peace.